Train travel restrictions? One item in your bag can end your trip before it starts. Here's the short, grown-up checklist for train travel restrictions in 2025. If it can ignite, explode, corrode, poison, or seriously injure, it stays home. That means fireworks, ammunition, gunpowder, lighter fluid, camping fuel, propane butane canisters, even empty, strong acids or alkalis, like bleach or drain cleaner, and toxic or radioactive chemicals. Firearms and realistic replicas are generally banned. Knives and sharp tools are heavily restricted. Don't carry unmarked liquids in odd containers. Security will stop you. Perishables that create hygiene risks, like animal carcasses, dead poultry, or game, are typically prohibited. Lithium batteries must be in devices or protected. Swollen cells are a no-go, and many networks restrict e-bikes or e-scooters due to battery fires. Aerosol sprays, paints, and solvent glues are often limited. Service animals and small pets in carriers are usually fine, but raw meat is not. Bottom line, pack clean, label liquids, and check your operator's official list before you roll.